Welcome. In front of me I have Apple TV 4K, and today I will show you how you can get Netflix on this device. So you have to go for the App Store at the first, and when you are here in the App Store you have to go for the apps. Then you can scroll down and just simply find Netflix. It will be probably in the recommendation. Yeah, it's here. So there we got the top 3 apps, and there we got the Netflix. So just click on it. Tap to download, input your passcode, and now just wait. And as you can see right now, we can open it. And we are able to sign in, and our Netflix will appear on the list in the main menu. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.